Good morning, everyone. Today is June 3, and today I'm gonna be checking the top performance of the day and see what they can do and how far they can go. Maybe they can retrace or something. Let's find out. So first of all, as you can see here, BIT USDT got 68% profit gains within 24 hours, which is crazy. And let's check it. You can see that this is the candle, but yesterday as well was a big candle like this, and definitely there is something going on here because the price performance is it's crazy. Okay, it's great. So what I can see here, at least from the technical point of view, is that BIT was retracing until it got to the demand zone here, and from the demand zone just exploded, okay, which is very good.